If you want to turn off the option to share detected scam sites with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen and Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This is useful if you want more control over your privacy settings, or you simply want to disable that specific sharing feature in Edge. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main Settings menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains many of the browser's privacy and security controls, so this is where we need to be. Now scroll down until you find the Security area. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling through the Privacy, Search, and Services page until you reach the Security options. Once you're in the Security section, look for the setting called Share Detected Scam Sites with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. This is the option that allows Edge to send information about suspicious or scam websites to Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. As soon as the setting is turned off, Edge will stop sharing detected scam sites through that feature. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled Share Detected Scam Sites with Microsoft Defender SmartScreen in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple step-by-step guide like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.